Hi everybody and welcome to word problem 30. This is about reading capacity on a number line. So what we're doing here is we have a number line, it's in liters, it goes from 10 liters to 70 liters. Now this is really kind of hard to read because it's kind of blobby with my marker, so will include the paper copy too, so it might be a little easier to read. So it wants to know first, use the number line to record the capacity of the containers. So A is down here. A is right here. This is 20. This would be 21 because it would be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So A is 21. And when you're doing capacity or measuring anything, you need to make sure you do the correct abbreviation for liters, and that's an L. So A is 21 liters. B is up here, so this would be 50 to 60, and this is 50, and this would be your middle mark for 55, 56, 57. So this is 57 liters. Hopefully I'm not erasing my problem down here. And then C, this is right between the 40 and the 50, so it'd be 45 liters. So A is 21 liters, B is 57 liters, and C is 45 liters. It says, what is the difference between A and C? So difference, that means what is the difference between their weight? We're trying to find how they are different. We don't use addition, we're not making things greater, we're not trying to find the total, we're not doing multiplication, we're doing difference, and difference is subtraction. It says, what's the difference between A and C? So I want to know the difference between A and C. Now, oh, I labeled these wrong. Hold on, let me look and make sure. Oh, I did label these wrong. This should be C. Oops. And that makes more sense now. A and C. So I'm going to switch A and C around because that's my fault. I labeled those incorrectly on my number line. So A is 45 liters. That makes more sense. C is 21, and B is correct at that one. So let's know the difference between A and C. This is the reason I knew this was wrong, is because in third grade a lot of times they'll ask you to find the difference and they'll give it to you in the correct order, because in third grade you find the difference between things above 0. So you're going to put the larger number first, which in this case is 45 liters and 21. Now we could have figured it out the other way because it wants to know the difference between A and C. So either way you would start with the greater number first because we are doing subtraction. I'm going to bring down my sign right now because I'm doing liters. So 5 take away 1 is 4, and 4 take away 2, subtract 2 is 2. So it would be 24 liters is the difference between the two. You could use the number line to do it if you wanted to too. The number line on the paper is a lot more in depth than mine, and mine's really hard to do with this marker. So I hope you enjoyed module 2 or word problem 30.